Good morning class 6 students. Welcome to the third class of mathematics. Dear students, in today's class we are going to discuss about ordering of integers and then absolute value of integers. Dear students, as you are knowing, means there are two orders are there, ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means when we are writing number from the smallest to greatest, then it is called ascending order or increasing order. Descending order, when we arrange the numbers or integers from the greatest to smallest, then it is called descending order or decreasing order. So here I have taken an example. Arrange the following integer in ascending or increasing order. So what you need to do, you need to arrange these integers in ascending order or increasing order. So what is ascending order and increasing order? Already I have explained you from the smallest to greatest. So what you need to do, among these all integers you need to find that which integer is having the smallest value. Okay, so as I have explained in last class that all the negative integers are smaller than 0 and all positive integer. So it means that first we will find that means how many negative integers are there here. So here 100 minus 106 minus 16 and minus 2 minus 81. These are the negative integers. So in this among negative integers, now you need to find that which one is the smallest. So minus 106 minus 16 minus 2 and minus 81. So minus 106 is the smallest because it is lying at the leftmost on the number line here. Okay, so minus 106 first I have written. After minus 106, second integer will be minus 81. After minus 81, minus 16, then minus 2, after minus 2, 0, then 16 and then 21. So this is the increasing order or ascending order. So in the same manner you can write the descending order also. If suppose these integers you want to arrange in descending order, so first what will you do? First you will write 21 first, then 16, then 0, then minus 2, then minus 16, then minus 81, at the last minus 106. Okay, so this is ascending order and descending order. Now dear students, now I'm going to discuss about absolute value of an integer. So now what is the absolute value of an integer? The absolute value of an integer is the numerical value of the integers regardless of its sign. It means, what is the absolute value of integer? Absolute value of integer is the numerical value of integer, okay, without its sign. Without its sign means regardless of its sign. Okay, the absolute value of an integer n is denoted by this symbol. Okay, so it means whenever this symbol is given by two vertical lines, so you may understand that this is meaning is absolute value. So for example, absolute value of minus 2 equals to 2 regardless of sign. Sign will be not there. Minus 5, absolute value of minus 5 will be 5. Absolute value of 10 is 10, whether plus sign is or minus sign, the value will be the only numerical value you have to write. Okay, so 10. Absolute value of 0 is 0. Okay, so this is all for today. On the basis of this explanation, you will complete exercise 4A of R.S. Agrawal book and exercise 6.1 of R.S. Agrawal book. Thank you.